Why does your scanner show the P0962 engine code? What does it mean? P0962 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid A control circuit low. This engine code indicates that this code signifies a problem with the electrical circuit controlling the transmission's pressure control solenoid A. Specifically, the PCM has detected low voltage in the circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty pressure control solenoid, wiring and connector issues, transmission fluid problems, transmission valve body problems, PCM or TCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Accords, Nissan Altimas, and Chevrolet Silverados, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.